Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to automate your ad campaigns using the Zeely app, making the process faster, smarter, and easier for online business owners. Zeely is built to take the hassle out of running ads by automating every stage from design to targeting and optimization. Once you open the app, you'll start by connecting your online store. Zeely supports platforms like Shopify and Ecommerce, and this connection lets the app pull product details automatically. After linking your store, head to the Ads section, where you'll find automation tools, ready to help you launch campaigns with just a few taps. To begin automation, Zeely offers AI-generated ad templates tailored to your products. These templates include headlines, descriptions, and visuals based on your store's branding. You can customize any part or allow Zeely to handle the creative side completely. Once your ad is ready, Zeely's automation engine kicks in with smart audience targeting. It uses AI to analyze your product type and customer behavior to reach the most relevant people on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Next, you'll set your daily or total budget, and Zeely will automatically manage when and where your ads are shown to optimize for clicks, views, or conversions, whichever goal you select. You don't need to tweak settings constantly because the platform adjusts bids and delivery in real time based on performance data. One of the most helpful automation features is the performance monitoring dashboard. Zeely continuously tracks and adjusts your campaign behind the scenes, so you can focus on running your business. If something underperforms, Zeely shifts the focus to better performing ads automatically. This reduces wasted ad spend and improves your return on investment without manual management. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.